Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me here, and we just got back from Colorado, or no, not Colorado Springs, Canyon City, from getting some chickens. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going down to the chicken house to show you the chickens. We put them in a separate part from the others because we've had them fight before when we first got them. That's the big one. That's not the one that we put the chickens that we got. And here's the chickens. There's 8 of them. And that one right there by that block, that one that's all colorful and all that, that's the rooster. He has kind of messed up feet right now. Or he was born that way. He was born handicapped. And so yeah. And our freezer right here is full of chicken food. And these 2 trash cans. This one is like 3/4 full. This one's 1/4 full. So yeah, there goes a pigeon. I hate them out here. They're all over there. See if I can zoom in. See them all? Need to get the 22 out here and start killing some pigeons. All in the barn there too. Everywhere. There are pigeons. Everywhere. That's what you get down here in Colorado. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Our chickens, everything. So let me know in the comments below if you like shout outs, because I can do them if you want, because right now I'm going to do shout outs. And first shout out is, going to do 2 shout outs, 2 people. Shout out to Ty Owen Wilson. He has his own YouTube channel, The Shredda, all caps, and he's trying to get lots of subscribers. He's at 9 right now. So try to get him more subscribers. And subscribe to me too. And then shout out to Miss Shaver. She's my teacher. She's a pretty decent teacher. Better than in Honey. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you never miss when I upload a video. Until next time, you know what to do. Stay awesome and stay cool.